First, I'd like to tell you a little bit about the course itself. This is a junior seminar, which means it's a smaller class. And in the course of this seminar, we're both exploring some content together, and usually some innovative and unusual content. But we're also working to develop some of the honors skills, so public speaking, presenting, and writing, although there aren't, the writing projects in this course are fairly small. So because emotional intelligence is the focus of this course, and emotional intelligence is a fairly new idea in the world, we're not using a textbook, so there will be no textbook required for this course. There will be reading, and there will be reading of research and a number of other things. There are no tests, and there are no quizzes. And there's no final. So this course is more a portfolio model course. There will be learning activities that will be assigned every week, and there will be learning activities every week in multi-user virtual environment space in Second Life, basically. The class meets twice a week for an hour and 15 minutes, although it only meets twice a week for the first couple of weeks. After that, we'll spend in class one of the days, usually Monday, and the second class day will actually take place in virtual space. So for some of those activities, they have to be on Wednesday, but we're in virtual space instead of in the classroom. And other times, if you're doing a one-on-one assignment with a partner or with a small group, they can meet whenever they want during the week in virtual space. So the course itself is unusual in that it's involving three very different things that are quite new: emotional intelligence, multi-user virtual environments, and developing interdisciplinary teams. In the first course that we did, this class, in the 11 students, we had 9 disciplines, so it was very interdisciplinary, so you'll be hanging out with people from other disciplines.